Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to reset Ubuntu password when you forget. Click in this power button, power off, logout, find restart. When you restart, press shift key or escape. In this video I use escape button. When you see this page, select Advanced option for Ubuntu. Use arrow key to select this option. Here select recovery mode. Maybe you will see 2 or 3 recovery. Select the top one, hit enter. Here select root. Again hit enter. You need to write one comment here. I will share this comment on the description. Remount -n -o remount (rw) space / hit enter. Here write passwd, write your username. After root at, it is your username. It is stored for me. Hit enter. Now enter your new password. Hit enter. Repeat your new password. Enter. Password updated successfully. In this step, reboot your system. Hit enter. Can log in with new password. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Have a good time. See you soon.